Hey everyone, today I want to introduce you to a game-changing video editing software. It's InVideo with over 5,000 video templates for social media, 1 million stock media and thousands of text to video templates. It's no wonder InVideo is one of the best video editing software available. And now they are taking it to the next level with the upcoming AI-powered Pro version. Gone are the days of spending hours editing your videos. With InVideo AI-powered Pro version, you will be able to create professional-looking videos in a matter of minutes, all with just simple prompt. InVideo's AI-powered Pro version is revolutionizing the way we create videos. Simply describe your idea in the form of prompt and InVideo AI decode into a script. College footage from the stock libraries, auto line it up to the script, make it look great and generate your video before you can even say, wow, that's revolutionary. This means you can create high quality videos without any prior video editing experience. Not only that, you can create films kind of videos just like in midjourney. Midjourney is a software for the photo editing. Just like that, you can type imagine this person in the sky and space and he is eating a burger. Just like that, you can type into the software, then the software will generate that video. It's truly amazing. InVideo AI powered Pro version is a future of video editing with its advanced AI technology and massive stock media library. You will be able to create professional looking videos with ease, so stay tuned for the release of InVideo's AI powered Pro version and start creating videos that stand out and impress your audience. You can create just short stories, films and everything with this. Imagine how amazing that. I can't wait to see that. So I just joined the waiting list. So as you can see on the screen. So I'll copy this link and drop it in the first comment. You can go to that link and sign up for the waiting list. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to have latest news just like this in the technology. Okay, see you.